Hello everyone, welcome back to Ielts Sovereign Community. And how are you today? I hope all you guys are okay. And before we get started, don't forget to like and share this video to support us and subscribe this channel for more lessons, okay? We also have another channel which is focused on reading and listening skills. So don't forget to follow that channel for new lessons as well. Our topic today is stop using many in IELTS exam, okay? So you ready? Haha, let's get started. So this is a really common word in English, but in IELTS, you can use this for sure. But actually, sometimes we use this word quite often. It's not good. You need to paraphrase this vocabulary. So you're gonna boost your vocabulary score in IELTS exam. Okay, even in IELTS speaking exam or even in IELTS writing exam. Okay, so are you ready? Let's get started. Now, first of all, let's have a look at this one, and we need to make sure that you know to pronounce this one correctly. Many, okay, many. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and visit our website here. We offer lots of learning materials on this website, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, so first of all, we need to find out the definition of this one. Okay, so this one used with plural nouns. Remember, plural nouns. Okay, and verbs, especially in negative sentences or in more formal English, to mean a large number of something, okay? And also used in questions to ask about the size of a number and with as so too, like too many people or so many solutions or stuff like that, okay? So you get it? So let's look at here. So I also have a large number of synonyms that are going to help you paraphrase many in IELTS speaking test and IELTS writing test. First of all, we have various. Okay, I'm sure you know that one. And the next one, numerous. Okay, the next one, large number of. Okay, number 4, variety of something. I'm much for sure it's full of plural nouns. Okay, a range of, an array of, countless, and following by a plural noun. Remember that. And the next one, an increasing number of something here, and or you can see several. Several or various is okay. It is the same meaning. So, well, first of all, before we try to apply and try to replace many with these kind of vocabulary, so let's have a look at this example. So with many here, I'm gonna give you some vocabulary, some example. Oh, sorry. Okay, all right. Don't move, please. Okay, here we go. We have, all right, have a look. Many people feel that the law should be changed. Okay, many people, many and plural noun. Many people. Oh, there are too many mistakes in this essay. Too many. You can see they are also used in questions and stuff like that, and with as So and too, like too many. So many people, stuff like that, okay? And the last one, years ago, I spent many hours traveling the universe. Stuff like that is interesting, isn't it? So, can I say like many people? Let's think. All right, let's think a minute, and can we place this vocabulary with another word? So, well, I have some option for you here. So it's not that difficult for you to, okay, move it, for you to replace it. All right. So we have, can we say various people? What do you think? How about various people feel that the law should be changed? Is this okay? I think so, right? Isn't okay. There are too many mistakes in this essay. There are various mistakes in this essay. It's still okay. Like years ago, I spent numerous hours. Is it okay? We use that one. Numerous. I think it's still okay, right? A large number of hours traveling the universe with a range of hours or array of hours or countless hours traveling around the world. Stuff like that is still okay, right? And an increasing, okay, several hours is still okay. So you see, with this kind of vocabulary, we can paraphrase many. And yeah, so you can push your vocabulary score. So what do you think about this? So I'm gonna have some more. I put it here so you guys can see it clearly later. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. So I'm gonna have some more example for you. You can use this kind of vocabulary, no, kind of sentences in your IELTS speaking test or even in IELTS speaking, IELTS writing test. For example, I have this example. Now let's have a look. Venice is a so famous tourism destination which is located in Italy, and I think you know it. Venice is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. So many visitors want to witness its beauty, but that is nearby possible to mention it these days without using the word crowded. It's such a beautiful city, but it's too crowded. I mean, overcrowded. Okay, but what we need to focus is this one. All right. So here we see many. We have many. Okay. So what do you think? Which one should we use to change so many? So many. Can we use various? What do you think? So Venice is one of the most beautiful city in the world. So no, various visitors want to witness its beauty. Stuff blah blah blah. It's okay, right? But it sound not that natural. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. Uh, can I use this one to replace so many with numbers? So Venice is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Numerous visitors want to witness its beauty. It's still okay, right? And how about this one? How about this one? Like a large number of, for so many. It's still okay, right? Okay, so can I use this one? A variety, a variety of visitors. This still is okay, right? So you see, you can um, replace many with a lot of other vocabulary. I can tell you, Venice is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. A range of visitors want to witness its beauty. Blah blah blah. It's still okay, isn't it? Uh, how about an array of visitors want to witness its beauty? It's okay, isn't it? Ah, what else? How about this one? Countless. Is this okay? I think so. It's not a big problem, right? So, countless. The next one, it's like more and more people wanna see, wanna enjoy, wanna witness its beauty. Okay, so an increasing number of visitors. Is this okay, isn't it? Yep. And how about this one? Several. It's still okay, but I think it's not the best one to replace. Okay, but it's still good. Okay, so now you have know the way to change and to make so you can show off your wide range of vocabulary, isn't it? Okay. Now let's move on to another uh, example. For example, this one. Now, so many again. I have so many in this one. So many. Okay. There were so many things mother and father always wanted me to be. Uh-huh. So, um, do your parents want you to do anything? Yes? No? I hope you can have a right to do what you want. So here you can say there are a large number of things mother and father always wanted me to be. So for this one, okay. So wait a second. So wow, look at that. We can use. There are so you can see. There are various things mother and father always wanted me to be. I can say, oh, there were so many things mother and father. No. There are numerous things mother and father always wanted me to be. It's still okay instead. A large number of things mother and father always wanted me to do or to be. How about the next one? There were a variety of things. Is that okay? What do you think? So should we use there were or there was? It's quite tricky, isn't it? So it's supposed to be it was a variety of things mother and father always wanted me to be to do. It's the same, so it's an array is not good. So there were countless things. It sounds okay. Countless thing is okay, isn't it? Uh-huh. And how about this one? There were an increasing number of officers, okay? I don't think so. But how about this one? There were several things mother and father always wanted me to be. I think it's okay. All right, so I'm gonna have two more example for you. Wait a second. Now, I have another example here. Rome is known as one of the greenest cities in the Europe, with its 313,000 trees filling its many parks and lining the streets in the city center. So we have many parks. Many parks. Can we use its various parks? I think it's okay. Is numerous parks? It's perfect, isn't it? Is large number of parks? It's still okay, isn't it? A variety. Maybe. A range of, array of is okay. Countless. Countless is okay. It's something like you try to say something and try to exaggerate something. We say countless. Countless parks. Like can cow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And I think several parks is okay. So okay, so let's move to the next one, the last example. Now let's have a look at this. The arrival of mass market electric vehicles means that many of our old assumptions about the way our cars look and sound are quickly become irrelevant. All right, so we're gonna have many of. So can we say various our old assumptions? No, it's not okay, okay, because it's numbers our old assumptions. No, it's not okay. That large number of our old assumptions about the way our car look and sound quickly become irrelevant. Oh, that sounds okay, okay, for this one. It's can interchangeable. A variety, many of sound good, right? So how about a range of and many of is sound perfect. An array of for many of, I think is pretty good. And an increasing number, I don't think so, but several of our, no, it's not. Okay, so yeah, that's all about the example I want to show you, and so I think it's gonna help you. So we have many to say stuff. We can use that in even in, you can use many in both IELTS speaking and writing skills test, right? In IELTS reading. So but don't repeat use it again. You can replace many with a lot of other vocabulary, and I give you some solution, some options for you. You can use various, numbers, large number of, a variety of, a range of, an array of, countless, an increasing number of, and several. Okay, so hope you love this lesson, and we're gonna make another video relating to this topic. So don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe this channel to follow the newest lessons. Okay, and hope to see you soon. Bye.